Alright, today we're going to take this and turn it into this. Alright, in order to do this, you will have to pick up some Villafane, some arms, some legs, and they also sell a top. And I have to say, this stuff is really cool. I'm really impressed with it. The only thing that I would suggest is, see, these all go in here, and they're all posable, so you can pose them any way you want. They got a wire that's in there. Here's the wire that's coming out of them. So there's three wires in each one, and then you just stick them into the pumpkin, and when you get them in there, some of them have 2 wires. Let's see if I can get a shot in here. Let's see if I can get a shot. The wire in there. There we go. You just kind of spread them out. So it's a really cool product. I'm very impressed. I'll definitely be ordering some more. They're a little bit pricey, but it's definitely worth the cost. I mean, these things just feel super cool. My suggestion, and maybe I'm completely wrong here, but what I'm going to do is I silicone the top on, and then I'll, adjust some of this, paint it to make it look a little cooler. Is maybe you do one insert, because what you do is you just kind of take the wire and you insert it in, and then you reach inside and then you spread it out. But my thought is maybe what I should do is once it's filled, is then kind of get it to where I want, lock it in place for the initial start position of it, then spray some like spray foam in there to lock those wires in place. Then it gives it'll be a little bit more stiffer so that you can really pose it, and then the arms won't droop down. And mine droop down now because this is a couple years old, and the kids play with it and bump it and stuff, so they kind of move around quite a bit. But once you get them posable and get them where you want, then they can hold objects, because they will fit tight when you first put them in. They will fit, where you want them, and you should be able to, I had different fake knives and skulls and stuff that this pumpkin was holding. But overall, man, yeah, this stuff is really cool stuff. And again, it's Villafane. Really cool stuff. Definitely worth checking out their website and ordering some stuff. Like I said, I'm going to be ordering a few more. And not a whole lot to it. I mean, you just push them into where you want them and you're good to go. And then you can place them. I haven't seen anybody around my area have them. I did see, we live in Minnesota, so I did see that Mall of America did have a few of these. But yeah, man, this stuff is like so cool. I don't know how to describe it. It's like a rubbery latex type stuff. But yeah, super cool. Definitely worth checking them out and creating some new eerie pumpkins. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you at the next one.